If you lost your iPhone, that sucks. But there are some options to be able to find your iPhone, even using someone else's iPhone, or really any other device, a computer, another Android phone. It works all the exact same. So what you're going to do on someone else's device is open up a web browser. Again, this could be on another iPhone or it could be on a computer. It doesn't really matter, because what we're going to do is open up a web browser and we're going to go to iCloud.com and hit go. Again, iCloud.com. Now, you're going to, of course, log into your Apple ID account. So once you've logged into your Apple ID for the phone that is currently lost, so whichever account that you're logged in on there, log in on that same account through iCloud. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be able to see midway down here is Find My. So I can tap on it and it will bring up the Find My app feature. Now, I'm going to just log in again. I'll use my passkey here, or you can use your password, whatever you want. And after we've done that, it will show you where your iPhone is and a couple of cool options as well. So you can see at the very top is Trevor, the Trevor iPhone. So I can tap on it and it shows me exactly where that iPhone is. So I can go and locate it if it's lost or stolen. You can find where it is even if it lost its battery. You have a couple of other options as well. You can hit play sound, which will make a loud sound on that iPhone. If it's in the room somewhere, just hidden maybe under sofa cushions or something like that, you can find it. You can also tap lost iPhone, and this puts it in essentially lost mode and leaves a message that says, hey, I've lost this iPhone. If you find it, please call me at this other number or something like that. You can choose to erase it, completely factory wipe it. This means that anybody, even if they find it, won't find any data on it. It will be completely erased. Or you can hit the remove button at the very bottom. But if you've lost it, I would recommend doing the lost phone. If you're just basically misplaced it, you can hit play sound and just keep doing that until you hear that sound wherever it may be and you locate your missing iPhone.